VertexFX Webtrader is your anytime, anywhere, any operating system gateway to your trading accounts. VertexFX 11 Webtrader has many enhancements over the overall performance, allowing you to trade with ease. Like the trading cells, which are so easy to trade by one click. The net trade, where the VertexFX has advantage by having such a handy option, by categorizing orders type, buy and sell, and by symbol's name. The VertexFX 11 Webtrader has majority of features in client terminal and more, such as pushing notifications as the application notifies you when receiving a new mail or when an entry order gets executed and when your account gets liquidated.